Alright, gawa lang ako ng video about my guns. Currently, it's May 20. So, 3 more weeks until the Philippines lifts its gun ban. No? So, pwede na ulit pumutok. I can also start competing again. It's been a while, no? Since January, bawal magbitbit ng baril all across the Philippines because of the recent elections. So, all the gun enthusiasts have been waiting for June to come so we can obviously have our firearms, no? So, pwede na natin gamitin yung mga baril natin. Alright, so ano bang gamit ko? Okay? Siguro let's start with my daily, my EDC. Okay, so this is Taurus G3C. Alright, with an optic, no? Vector optic lang to kasi I didn't want to spend a lot on an optic na mas mahal pa dun sa baril. Parang feeling ko hindi siya worth it, no? So this is used to be my daily. Okay naman siya. It would serve its purpose, no? I think it's probably the cheapest carry na maganda, no? Na maliit, no? Kasya sa bag, kasya sa waistband. Okay naman siya. Nag-expire na yung PTC nito nung January din. So, I don't have plans on using this anymore. Hindi ko na i-renew yung PTC. I'll be using something else. Yun, no? So, this is the G3C. Nakakatawa, no? 6 ang magazine ko dito. Even if I only carry 1 or maximum of 2 magazines lang. Yun, no? So, this is my G3C from Taurus. Okay naman siya. Medyo solid naman siya. Next is my new daily. My new EDC. I've had this for a while already. Hindi ko lang kinuha na ng PTC kasi meron pang PTC yung G3C, no? So, this one basically is Sig Sauer P365X Macro Comp. Okay, so it's the one with a compensation dun sa slide, no? May compensator dun sa slide. Okay, so unloaded naman lahat ng baril ko, so safe tayo dito. Okay, I have an optic Sig din, no? So Sig Romeo X compact. So perfect for the gun. No need to have an optic plate. It installs cleanly, no, dun sa barrel, dun sa 365X Macro Comp. Ang ganda niya, pogi, sobrang pogi. First time ko nakita to, sobrang na-in-love ako kagad. I called Tactical Corner. I think the next day or 2 days after, binili ko na siya. Yun, sobrang ganda siya. Modified version to because the ones that Tactical Corner sells locally dito sa Philippines does not have the safety. No, so, ayan. Walang safety. So, pinalagyan ko pa siya. Bumili pa ako ng parts sa US para malagyan ko ng safety. Kasi mas komportable ako carrying a gun na may safety. So, yon, super ganda. For most of us who carry SIGs as our dailies, konyo carry yung tawag. Kasi nga, parang medyo mahal siya, no? More expensive than your CZs, your Taurus, your Glocks. Kaya yun, pogi, sobrang pogi, sulit. Alright, next, ano ba? P10C, P10SC, sorry. So hindi to C, no? It's yung mas malaki sa C pero mas maliit sa F, no? So sorry, may magazine pa. Loaded naman siya. Yun. Okay din to. I started out competing with this. Production optic. Meron akong Holosun 507C. Yun. I think it's probably the most used, pinakamabenta yata na Holosun yung 507C. Sulit din naman siya, no? Okay naman siya. Okay naman siya. No, so okay naman to. Hirap lang kasi sa firing sa competition ang kalaban mo mostly hindi naka polymer guns, no, mga CZ Shadow 2, TS2, well, Shadow 2, no, basically dun sa production optic, no, or sa production mismo, no, kaya medyo lugi ka lang. Pero modified na rin to, M-Carbo trigger. Ano pa ba? Pabang laman nito? I think yung recoil spring nito pinalitan ko na rin, no? Hindi ko maalala. I haven't used this for a bit. Yon. So P10SC. Yon. Okay naman siya. Okay, next. We move on to my competition guns, no? The ones I really use for competing. Ito yung usually mga standard sa PPSA or sa ano yung isa? Pismok. No? These are the guns that usually dominate mga competition. So this one, CZ Shadow 2, optic ready. Might look like an ordinary optic ready na Shadow 2, but this one is already equivalent or maybe even better than a Shadow 2 Orange kasi fully loaded, fully tricked out. Everything inside, internals, Cajun Gunworks, CGW, Pro Kit, lahat, no? Basically lahat na, recoil springs, etc. Yun, unloaded. Barrel ko, bull barrel already, no? This one is by Barstow, no? So competition barrel na rin siya, even better than the barrel found on your Shadow 2 Oranges, no? Yun. And obviously probably the best optic available in the market, Trijicon SRO, no? So 2.5 yung MOA nung gamit ko, no? So SRO 2 if I'm not mistaken, no? So yan, sobrang okay, sobrang solid. Yun, 6 magazines ang gamit ko dito. All are naka base pad, puro Tony system. Yan, actually either CGW lang or Tony system for my guns, no? For most of my guns. Yun, so ganda siya. Yan, sobrang ganda ng trigger pull din, no? So ito ang ating Shadow 2, no? Alright, my next, no, unloaded naman siya, my TS2 Orange, no? So CZ TS2 Orange in 40 caliber, no? So ito yung usual gamit ko for standard, no, standard optic, no. So, ano bang features ng Orange TS2? So, naka-bull barrel din siya. This one, Tony system, pretty much everything. Internally, wala akong pinalitan pa kasi okay na naman yung TS2 Orange. Ang ginawa ko lang, trigger job. Yun. And obviously, naka Holosun 507 comp. No, so the competition optic from Holosun, hindi optic ready ang mga TS2, so naka Tony system na optic mount, no? Dovetail optic mount. So yun, sobrang ganda. Yan. No, so I want to actually dispose of some of my firearms. Between this and the Shadow 2, hindi ko alam kung anong ibebenta ko, no? Di ko alam, no? Obviously, mas okay in a way yung Shadow 2 kasi mas versatile, no? I can opt to play in production. Pwede akong mag-standard. Gagawin ko lang siyang single action. I can also modify it and maybe even go to open, no? Basta pwede siya. Okay, so might be keeping this one. CTS2 kasi standard optic open, no? Hindi ako pwedeng bumaba kasi single action only. Pero ang sobrang pogi din ito, no? Parang ang angas, no? When you see this when you see one sa range, when you see one sa competition, parang medyo ang ganda ng ang ganda lang ng dating niya, no? So I don't know, we'll see, no? Or siguro kung ano unang mabenta, we can dispose of it, no? So yun lang. For those of you who are interested in doing competition, obviously Shadow 2 siguro mas versatile, no? Or you can go for the TS, or iba mga T10C nagko-compete, yung mga magagaling, doesn't matter actually kahit anong baril nila. So yun lang. Yun, I'll see you guys in the next video, hopefully after gun ban na, during competition na. So yun lang. Stay safe, no? Yun. For those of you who carry, keep them locked and loaded, no? Useless mag-carry kung walang laman yung chamber. Lugi ka sa bunutan, no? So yun lang. Alright.